up? It's your boy, Pain Savage. Boom! Yo! Man, I just came out of school and I decided to walk. Yeah, but look what happens next. It will be shocking. Walk, still walking. Then all of a sudden, my bus shows up. And I was ready for it, but I decided to walk. How funny. Just look at it. Gone. Just like that. But hey, it's okay. I'm gonna keep walking till the next bus come. Oh, look, there it is. Yeah. Just the worst day. Hi. But it's cool though. Just look at it. Gone. Hey. It's chai. It's chai, people. It's chai. I guess I'm gonna walk to town. Which is like 20 minutes. Yeah, but it's cool. It's cool. Let's go. Oh, wait. I forgot to say I'm trying out YouTube. So I'm a new YouTube tryout. So yeah. Yeah. Whatever you guys do, like, subscribe, thumbs up, down, comments if you want to. Oh, watch another bus passed. And I'm still working. Yeah, nah. 4 buses already. One I didn't record, so damn man, I'm still working until I get to, I think, Rosebank College. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys when I get there. Yo people, what's up? I'm back and I'm still working, unfortunately. Let me show you. See? Way too many taxis behind me. And this area is not safe at all. So yeah guys, if you have ever been left by a bus before, leave your comment. I wanna have a nice conversation with you all. So please, if you want to, I'm not forcing you, only if you want to. So yeah. I hope no other bus pass before I get to my destination. But I'm still walking though. Still walking. Still at it. Maybe a couple miles in here. But I'll get there soon. I hope no bus leaves as I'm on my way there. As you can see, I keep on looking backwards. Because buses keep on passing. So yeah. Unfortunately, I can't vlog, just trying out. So yeah. So I wanted to do the walking challenge, just to walk. But apparently, some bus is interrupted, so yeah. But I'm okay for a good reason though. My Air Force. My Air Force. Oh, damn, they're shouting. As you all can see, I still have a long way to go. Let me show you. Yeah. Hey, ngikhathele man. Konini walk. Konini. Passing people, random people, they think I'm crazy, busy talking to my phone. But yeah. Almost near my bus stop. Hey. Rear via which I don't use. Finally reached my destination. So yeah. Now I'm heading to my bus stop, which is somewhere down there. Yeah. Hey, this place is packed. Yeah. Finally I've reached my bus stop. Now all I have to do is wait for the bus. Oh, as I said, I was working for a good reason. Let me show you. Here's the reason why I was working. Let me show you. I'm going to give someone's privilege to this man. Let's go. Okay, getting ready now to go give the guy the money now. Let's go. Get that. And I'm back at my bus stop again. Yeah, see what I did? Was called giving back to the community. Help a nigga who needs help. So yeah, I had extra money, so I gave it away to that guy. And what is on about with it, but yeah. And yeah, it's not my first time doing this thing. I've been doing it, but not on camera, so yeah.
Asiwafuna makwala